Hi, my name is Lisa, and I am a natural stylist, Styles by Lisa, and also the founder of My Curl Products. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how to do a wash and go using our products. So after shampooing her hair with our Clean Slate shampoo and deep conditioning her hair with our Rehydrate Intense Moisture Conditioner, I used our Moist Restore Leave-In Conditioner and sectioned her into 4 sections. And I used a water bottle to make sure that her hair was very wet. And starting in the back area, here I am taking about a quarter size of our curl foaming mousse and applying it to the hair. And then I'm adding about a quarter size of our Extra Curls gel on top of it, layering it. So as I go up, I'm taking like about 2-inch quarter sections, and I am wetting it, making sure that it's wet and detangled. And then I am adding about a quarter size of our curl foaming mousse. And then I'm adding on top about a quarter size of our Extra Curls gel. And I'm going to continue this process all through the hair. These products can be used on any texture for wash and goes, as well as for twist styles or coil twist styles, or to refresh your hair daily. They're very light. They're easy to distribute. You usually will distribute with water, but these products can definitely be used as daily refreshers for your styles. These products can be used for any texture. They don't cause product buildup. You can use them as standalone products, or you can layer them and they work wonderfully. I've spent over 20 years working with natural textures, so I had a good opportunity to be able to study hair textures and also study what kinds of products work best for textures. I wanted to come up with a product line that would be, number 1, healthy for the hair, and number 2, easy to use. I want people to be able to embrace their natural curls, and I want it to be easy for them to style themselves, and I want their hair to be healthy. And so that is my drive for coming up with this product line. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will get back to you. Basically going to just continue this process throughout her whole head, and most of the time it is advised that you sit under a dryer to dry. Her hair is really thick, so it'll take a while to dry if she were to air dry it. Drying it helps it to hold better, hold longer, it holds the curls. So definitely sitting under the dryer is a must, especially for thick hair. You can also use a diffuser, but for her texture, I would definitely sit under a dryer and let it dry at least most of the way. Most of the clients, when they leave, if you notice, I don't always have it all pulled out the way that they would wear it, if they were, going out, because most of the time they want the curls to last a little bit longer. So, they'll come in, get a wash and go, and kind of leave it a little damp and then style it at home later. But this is pretty much it. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And also, please subscribe to our channel. I'm going to be on here doing tutorials, trying to teach what I know, trying to educate people, trying to get people to embrace their natural hair. That is my passion. And also, don't forget to check out our products. They're made really well. I'm very proud of them, and thank you for watching.